Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with a final analysis of 5th of March 2018. Okay guys, we have another very good profitable day in the next month of March, and this is the report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning. Okay, let's get started with pound JPY today. So guys, you can see that I have supplied the bullish signal in case of pound 145356 was the entry, and you can clearly see right from the entry we have seen a strong bullish trend on Great Britain pound JPY. Also look at the scalper, then you will find that just at the oversold level we have received a buy signals, and then we have consecutive received the upward trend on Great Britain pound JPY. So this is the last signal of my signals reports. If you have traded this signal as per the U-turn method that I have explained in my signals video, then you must be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about USD CHF. You know that I was already talking about the recovery on these pairs, and the recovery is here. I have again supplied the bullish signal in case of USD CHF. V093667 was the entry, and this time market has taken a smaller U-turn, and after that the pair has finally went up, and you can see it has break the entry right from here, and after that it is into the bullish direction as predicted. And if it continues to be up like this, then the next target can be 0.94170. But those subscribers who have already taken the profits, then I just recommend them to exit from the trade, because this is too much, because we have also benefited from other signals. Okay, now let's talk about another signal, which is AUD USD. So I have supplied the bearish signal. I was looking AUD USD to be weak today. 0.77454 was the entry, and after a smaller U-turn, AUD USD is again down from the predicted level. If we go to the 4-hour chart, then guys, you will look at here right now on the daily candle, you will still if you look at here, still we do not have any bullish signs on the pair. We are getting the bearish signs, and the market is pushing below the dotted blue line. So until unless the market stays below the dotted middle line, then the market is inside the bearish zone as per my opinion. If it goes above from these levels, if it breaks the entry, then only it can be into the bullish zone. But overall it is confusing at the moment. But however, we have traded in a bearish way, and you can see that we have done scalping on this pair. So we are not going to take a very long trade on the pairs which are not very confident. Okay, now let's talk about the strength of USD JPY. You know, in the last week I have also discussed about these things, that they will make some recovery. A recovery is on the way. I have supplied the bullish signal. 105598 was the signal from my side, and guys, you can see that right from my signal in the last 4 hours it is making a bullish pattern, and still we are getting the bullish candles on the chart, and hopefully the next target should be 106379 for USD JPY. So it's on the way. USD JPY is strong today, so be careful with taking sell positions on this pair. Okay, so another signal that we have hit properly, and it has also almost touched the targeted price. This is the third signal of my signals report. A bullish signal was supplied on pound USD. 137899 was the entry, and guys, you can see that after a smaller U-turn, it has finally went into our way that we have predicted in our report. So guys, overall, if you have traded the signal, then you should be in very good massive profits, and I'm sure that most of the subscribers must have taken the profits today. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD, another pair. This signal isn't fully expired. This is on the way. A bullish signal is supplied in case of New Zealand USD. 172188 is the entry, and the entry is already broke, and if it continues to be bullish, go like this, then the next target can be 072534, and the level is already drawn on the chart. However, this is a scalping signal, because New Zealand USD and USD are in both of them are in the confusing zones. But however, if we talk about the technicals of the day, then technicals of the day are talking about the bullish trend on New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about the last pair, and this signal isn't fully expired at the moment. Let me switch my chart to the Euro USD. Okay, the entry is already broke. 123100. I have supplied the bullish signal right from here. The entry is broke here. So guys, it's making the bearish candle again. But if it again closes in a bullish way, and if it stays above 123100, then again mind that Euro USD, as per the technicals, it is bullish from my side. So if it goes above 123100, then the next target can be 123700, and this can happen during the US session. So guys, overall Euro USD is strong, and if it goes below the level 123100, then we can say that now it can be bearish, but overall I'm not recommending anyone to sell this pair because it was very strong. But however, I will supply you with another signal tomorrow. So guys, this is what we do, that on which signals we are not very much fully strong, then we're not confident, we scalp the market, and where we are quite sure that the market is going in a way like pound and JPY, USD JPY, where we are looking that things are going as per the signals report, then on such trades we prefer to take a very long trades and we wait for our profits so that it can be good, very good for us. Okay guys, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Buy in the lower red boundary, this is the oversold levels, but buy with confirmations. Like if you are getting the bullish candles from the oversold level, then you can buy the pair, and you can sell the pair like it happened with the Euro USD. On 2nd March it went down, and today and then it went down from the overbought levels. So these red boundaries are going to help you when the market stays below the dotted line, and below the dotted line the market gets more drop. When it stays above the dotted line like this, then the market gets more gains. This is how this trading system works. And moreover guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get this powerful trading system so that it can help you with your trading, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexwebs.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.